Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial on basic Linux commanding. In this tutorial I will show you another Linux command. Let me open the terminal first. The command is ls. ls stands for listing the contents in the current directory. So it shows what are the folders or files present in the current directory. Let me check in which directory I am currently in. If you remember, the command is pwd. So right now I am in my home folder. We can check what are the contents in the home folder. In the home folder I have different directories and different files. So we can see this through the terminal. For that, just type in ls and press enter. Here it shows the contents in the my home folder. So we have desktop downloads, these are few directories, and this is a file. This examples .desktop and nickel.ftf, these are two files. So as you observe, the directories are shown in blue color and files are shown in white color. This is distinguished between directories and files. So I'm using the latest version of Linux, so this feature is included in this. It may not be there in every version of the Linux. So to see in more detail the details of the contents, we have another command. It's just the same command. We will add another flag, which is ls, then put a space, then put a hyphen and press L and press enter. This basically shows the same thing. You can see this is directory. So here these are the permissions. I will do another video on permissions later, but as of now the first letter indicates whether it is a directory or file. D stands for directory and hyphen stands for a file. As you can see, these are two files, examples.desktop and nickel.ftf, and so they have indicated with hyphen, which is the indication of file, and others are directories, so they are indicated with a letter D. So that's it, guys. Basically ls or ls space minus L gives you the list or the contents of the contents in the current directory. Now let me clear the terminal for you. Now I will show you some tricks. As I told you, it shows the contents in the current directory, but that should not be the case always. Even if we are in some directory, we can see the contents in another directory as well. So as you can see, now we are in our home directory. Now if I want to see, I have in my desktop I have two directories called fruits and vegetables, and I want to see the contents in the directory fruits. So we have apple, banana, grapes, three directories. We can see them in different way. We can see them either we can go to that particular directory, or we can see them even from our home directory. So as of now I will just go to that particular directory. So cd is the command used to change directory. I have done a video on cd, you can check that out. So cd, I need to first move to desktop, then maybe fruits. Now I'm in my directory called fruits. Now we can see what are the contents here. So I have three directories: apple, banana, grapes, and all three are directories. Now let me go to my home directory. Now I'm in my home directory. If I want to see from my home directory what are the contents in the folder or directory fruits, what you can do is you can type ls, then hyphen minus L, then put a space. Now specify the path to the directory in which or of which we need to see the contents. So it is in desktop and fruits, and if you press enter, you can see that these are the contents in the particular directory. Now I will show you another thing. Let me clear the terminal. Now let me move to fruits directory. So now I'm in my fruits directory. So if I need to go from fruits directory So, or if I need to see what are the contents in the vegetables directory from staying in this fruits directory. So what you need to do is, we know that the vegetables directory is in the desktop, so we need to move one step backward and go to vegetables directory and see what is there in. So ls minus l gives us the list, and now we need to specify here the directory in which we want to move in, or the directory we need to see the contents of. So double dot and slash, this moves one step backward, so now I am in my desktop. Now I will see also, now I have go to vegetables, and if I press enter, this shows the contents in the directory called vegetables. So if we just check in vegetables, you can see that the same contents as shown here. So these are different ways to use the ls command. We can, it's not necessary that we should be in the particular directory to see its contents. We can be in any other directory and see the contents by specifying the path here after. So the command, so the way to do is that put ls minus l. Minus l is not necessary, it is for you to see the contents in the in a detailed manner, and put space, and here you can specify whatever directory you want to look into. So that's it, guys. This is how you should use ls command. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.